Hello students, welcome to Sourav Sir's classes. In this question, we need to rearrange the given parts in proper sequence to obtain the correct part of the sentence. An 18th century Asian painting, and then we need to arrange this in an ordered way. Now you'll see that according to option B, this sentence makes perfect sense. That is in the form, rather in the order 2 3 1 4. So an 18th century Asian painting does not represent an actual view as would a classical Western painting. The next question is, select the most logical order of sentences from among the given choices to construct a coherent paragraph. Now if you'll see, according to option A, this makes the perfect sense. That is in the order RSQP. So if heart stops, we die in about 5 minutes. A few years ago, it was impossible to operate on a patient whose heart was not working properly. Nowadays, doctors stop a patient's heart and carry out major operations. They can even perform transplants. The next question is, select the most logical order of sentences from among the given choices to construct a coherent paragraph. Now if you'll see in this, according to option B, that is RQPS, you'll get the most proper paragraph. Today polymers as strong as metals have been developed. They are cheaper and easier to process, making them a viable alternative to metals. Metals are being replaced by polymers in many applications. For example, they have replaced the traditional chromium-plated metallic bumpers in cars. The next sentence is, or rather next question is, fill in the blanks in the sentence. One should not dash people with dash. The correct option is option C. That is, one should not judge people with prejudice. The next question is, fill the blanks in the sentence. Doubt is dash, not the end of dash. The correct option for this is option D. Doubt is beginning, not the end of wisdom. The next question is, fill the blanks in both sentences by a single word. The dash of the cab was arrested 2 days after the accident. Women's safety was the main dash behind the decision on pink cabs. The correct answer for this is option C, that is driver. The driver of the cab was arrested 2 days after the accident. Women's safety was the main driver behind the decision on pink cabs. The next question is, choose the correct sentence from the following. Option A, when the car was searched, it was found. Option B, when the car was searched for, it was found. Option C, when the car was searched about, it was found. And option D, when they searched for the car, they found. The correct option for this is option B. That is, when the car was searched for, it was found. The next question is, choose the correct sentence. Option A, work expands, so fill the time available. Option B, work expands so that fill the time available. Option C, work expands as much as fill the time available. Option D, work expands so as to fill the time available. The correct answer is option D. That is, the work expands so as to fill the time available.